What's up guys, welcome back for another video, and if you're into Huck's World, and today we got a nice digital watch face to take a look at that's free in the Gear Manager store, and also there's a paid version to this as well, so just be mindful of that. The name of the watch face is called BHD08 Elementus Basic. Very nice looking watch face. I like the design of it. In always on mode, you're just going to get a simple digital time. Now once the watch face is on, it does have a nice look. At the top, that's going to let you know what time the sun is going to sunrise or sunset. Now you do get your month, your date, get a nice digital time. You get the area in which you're in, which I love, and you also get your weather. Now that's nice. Now you get your battery percentage. You even get the humidity down here, right? Now if I go into settings, I can get the weather manual, or I can go through every 2 hours. I can set it every 4 hours. We'll leave it on manual. And if you don't like Fahrenheit, you can put it on Celsius. And here's where the paid version comes in at. You cannot get these different colors unless you get the paid version. All right, so check that out. Now we hit back to take us back. And also if I hit this button right here, here's where I was able to get my weather. So if you download this free watch face and you don't see the weather, this is where you're going to come. Okay, I'm going to hit yes. But all in all, I thought it was a good looking watch face. I do like the icon of the moon right there. This is decent for a free watch face. Now, you don't get the color you want if you don't like green, but still to be free, I think it's decent. All right, you all, I hope you enjoyed the video. And if you did, could you please hit the like button on the way out? And if you want to see more videos like this, then make sure you subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell before you leave so you can be notified when I drop more videos on this channel. All right, you all, I know I've been loading up your inbox. I got more to come. Just put them in your playlist if you can't check them out right away, but I gotta keep them coming. All right, you all, I see you all at the next one. Take care.